In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Exness trading server. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your personal area on the Exness platform. This is where you manage all your accounts and settings, so getting this right is key to finding the information you need. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate over to the My Accounts section. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it contains all of your real and demo trading accounts. This is essentially the hub for managing your trading activities, so spending a bit of time here can be quite beneficial. Now, you need to locate the specific trading account you are using, whether it's a real account or a demo one. This particular detail is crucial because each account can be associated with different trading servers, and getting the correct server is necessary for linking your trading platform appropriately. After you've identified the trading account, the next step is to access its details. To do this, click on or expand the trading account card. Alternatively, you might see a three-dot menu next to the account, which you can click to reveal more options. Taking either of these actions will bring up a set of details related to your account that are essential for your trading operations. Within this detailed view, you'll notice crucial information like the server name, which will be indicated as either an MT4 or MT5 server name. This server designation is what you're looking for. Ensure you take a note of it, as it will be crucial for logging into your trading platform correctly. Alongside the server name, you should also see your login number. It's worth noting these details down somewhere safe because they will be your keys to accessing your trading account through whichever platform you're using, be it MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. As a quick tip, if you ever struggle to find the right information or need further assistance, you can always contact Exness's support team. They are usually quite helpful and can guide you through finding your server details directly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily locate your Exness trading server. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to find these details, ensuring your trading experience remains seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful for your trading journey.